afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So today I have super simple lunch. Kroger had a whole bunch of their salads marked down. I got 1 chicken Caesar, 2 apple and walnut, and a Southwest. And they were between $1.65 and $2 and some change. So I'm going to have chicken Caesar. I'm going to add some cucumber, grape tomatoes, and avocado. And then it's quite chilly out, so I'm just going to do a little can of soup. I was going to make some soup, but I have a couple of these. It's only 200 calories for the whole can. That is the potato and bacon. And then these are really nice. This was, Kroger had them on sale. It is 70 calories for 4, and there's like 6 left. So I'm going to go ahead and finish these so they don't go stale. They taste like a really flavorful saltine. They're super crispy. I like them. Okay, so soup and a salad for lunch. Alright, welcome back for dinner. I have the air fryer preheating, so it's a little loud, I'm sorry. Alright, I am having a tamarind flavored chicken breast, and then I have some mashed potatoes, a Honeynut Squash, some asparagus. The asparagus and the honey nut I'm going to have with some lemon herb butter and some of my everything bagel seasoning. And the only thing I need to do, I'm going to cook the chicken breast in the air fryer for 15 minutes on 400. I'm going to put the honey nut squash in the Instant Pot for 8 minutes, and then I'll steam the asparagus and just make the mashed potatoes.